Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on PancakeSwap.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. We've gone through a video on pancakeswap before. This is an update video explaining what's been happening to the market and why pancakeswap has gone this low. And obviously this is not financial advice, so take this information at your own risk.
But before we get into the video, please may I say that only 5.6% of you that watch our videos are actually subscribed to the channel. So if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, that really helps out. Thank you. Let's get straight into the video. So PancakeSwap is one of the biggest decentralized exchanges where you don't need to give any ID or anything like that. There's no KYC. So there's many, like, you can do the gambling, so the lottery. There's pools where you can stake with very high APY. And you can also get the shit coins, I guess. So this is where like Safe Moon was and all of that. So yeah.
So as you can see, there's something called pools, and we've gone through this in a previous video, which, this gives you passive income if you're interested in passive income. So you can also buy some cake on the exchange, so you can swap your Binance coin for cake, which you can do from Binance. You can send your Binance coin from Binance all the way to PancakeSwap wallet on your MetaMask, and then you can exchange some of your BNB for cake. And keep in mind, you must always have some BNB in your wallet. It can be £5, £10, just always have something in your wallet. This is because everything will be done through your BNB. And keep in mind, Ethereum is not based on your Binance Smart Chain. Therefore, Binance Smart Chain has lowered the fees for BNB tokens, therefore making it more affordable for everyone to, add transactions, buy and sell, and making it easier for everyone. And yeah, you're earning 100% APY on your PancakeSwap, and in my opinion, I think that is very good. And to be fair, if you really want to be earning passive income from this coin, and even when the coin is dropping, I would recommend you if you have a large amount of money that you don't utilize right now in crypto, I'd recommend yeah, obviously this is not financial advice, it's something that I would do. I'd recommend, putting into the auto cake and, taking out money every single day, the money that you make, and converting it to USDC or USDT, as this is basically going to make you passive income if you think about it, as you are taking money out, you're not just leaving it in there. So let's say you've got, for example, £100,000 that you don't really need at the moment, then you'll just put it onto cake. And it sounds crazy, but it literally gives you, I think it gives you around 2 cake or 3 cakes a day if you put in that large sum, which, is perfect. So it's just something to think about really, as, this is something that you could, utilize in your day-to-day life. And yeah, it's just a way to earn passive income. As they say, high APR and low risk. As you can see here, it's not just cake you can stake for a high APY. You can also stake your almost everyday tokens, such as, Rue. You can stake. We've made a video on Rue coin, and there's many other coins that are on here that we've made a video on that you can stake and earn cake on. So it doesn't have to be your PancakeSwap. It can also be, USDC, if you think about it, because USDC, you will be earning a lower amount of APY. Wait, try find USDC. Click Control F, hold Control F, and then yeah, or USDT, nothing. So currently on this website, there's no stable coins that you can stake on. However, it doesn't have to be stable coins. You can also stake your stable coins to earn more stable coins, such as Blockfolio or different applications or BlockFi that allow you to stake your stable coins, such as USDC. And when you stake your stable coins, you're earning around 8.95% APY. And if you think about it, it may not sound like much. However, that is a lot of money. Say with that £100,000 that you've got, you can stake it and earn £8,500 a year just from holding it on there. And keep in mind, it is a stable coin, so you're almost guaranteed to make that amount. And yeah, if you're guaranteed to make that amount if the APY doesn't go up or down. So it's something to keep in mind. And obviously, the current price of cake is $14.65, and it went from $40 all the way to 14. So it did have a big massive correction. However, keep in mind, for all the people that got in at around below $1, and it did launch at below that $1, they are still in profit, major profits. And right now, after this big retracement, a lot of people are going to be, putting their money into these large cap coins, and this is a very large cap decentralized exchange, which it is one of the most leading ones that everyone's going to be going to. So it's something that actually will be here for a very long time. So if you're a long-term investor, I wouldn't say you should be worried. However, you could be able to make more money if you play it out smart through the passive income aspect of this exchange.
So the way you can actually exchange your tokens to buy your shit coins or whatever you're trying to buy on PancakeSwap, whether it's cake or whatever it is, um, then with BNB the way you do it is obviously you buy your BNB on Binance or even Qcoin now you can buy BNB on. Um, you would then transfer it to your MetaMask address, and then you'd have it in the Binance Smart Chain, and then on here you'd press max or however much you want to put in worth of BNB into the currency you want. So you can buy your bunny here, and one BNB you'd get however much bunny it is, 17 bunny. So yeah. Oh, wait. And then the way you do it with Ethereum, is so you then send your Ethereum to the Ethereum mainnet on MetaMask, and then you'd have to go onto Binance.org, the Binance bridging, and you would transfer your Ethereum onto there, and then you would get it transferred, bridged onto the Binance Smart Chain, and then you'd be able to use your Ethereum on here to buy whatever you wanted to exchange, whatever token you wanted on PancakeSwap.
Okay, so overall, in my opinion, PancakeSwap potentially will be here for a very long time. I can see this hitting almost $200 within the peak of the bull market. However, the bear market, it can go anywhere. That's the thing. It can go to $1, $0.1, because the price will be going down every single day when we are in a bear market. However, if you're a long-term person, honestly, you shouldn't really be worried, as you kind of have grasped the concept of crypto, and it's a long-term thing. And if you are a long-term person, there's absolutely no thing that you should really be worried about. But yeah, other than regulations, as regulations could cut down all the pump and dump coins, but PancakeSwap isn't a pump and dump coin. There's over $20 billion locked into this decentralized exchange. Therefore, meaning there's a lot of money into this, and it's not just going to disappear just like that, which tends to happen with these pump and dump coins that get rug pulled. But this is not gonna, get pump and dump like as many people think it is. It has been audited. It is a legit, service that they offer, a legit company, digital company, and yeah, it's not something that is just gonna disappear one day. It's always gonna be here, and yeah, that's all I have to say.
So this is now the end of the video now. What the hell? Oh, it's another language. So that is now the so this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, please make sure you press the subscribe button. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day, and thank you.